Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can do pre-orders on Big Cartel, so let's get right into it. Now, to do pre-orders, you really don't have any tools that make it any easier on Big Cartel. It's not very suited toward that practice. You're probably better off using platforms such as Shopify or anything else. However, you can do pre-orders here if you do them smart, so I'll show you guys how to do them. Now you're going to add the product that you want to be on available for pre-order, and once you add it, you're going to need to enter the appropriate information. So let me just go ahead and delete this product here so that I can add another product, and let me add another product. Now once you're here in the product name, for example, if you want to sell, I don't know, a t-shirt for pre-order, make sure you write t-shirt, and I would in parentheses write pre-order only, and then in the description make sure that it says pre-order somewhere. As a category, I would recommend you add the category of pre-order so that people again are 100% certain, because people don't pay attention and you want it to catch their attention as far as you can. You can add an image which says pre-order as well. You can set the price to whatever the price is going to be. So for example, let's say $15. You can add a variant, and the only variant I would add is pre-order so far in all caps, just to make sure. Then as for shipping, set up everywhere. For example, shipping should be $4 for a loan, and with others I'll set 1, and the tax category that is appropriate. Then you can click save, and I would also make sure that you send the email or an email to any person who orders. Just make sure that they are aware that that's a pre-order, and that is pretty much how you set them up. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.